Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make black pepper pickle. First, select about 250 grams of fresh, firm black peppercorns. Ensure they are clean and free from any blemishes. Next, gather your essential spices: mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and turmeric powder. Finally, have 1 cup of vinegar, salt, and a neutral cooking oil on hand. These ingredients form the foundation of your delicious homemade pickle. Now, let's prepare the peppercorns. After washing them, it's crucial to dry them completely to prevent any spoilage. You can air dry them or gently pat them with a clean cloth. Then, take about 1/4 of the peppercorns and lightly crush them. This releases their aromatic oils. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and add the mustard and fenugreek seeds to temper them until they splutter. Once your spices are tempered, add both the crushed and whole peppercorns to the pan. Stir everything well to combine the flavors. Next, incorporate turmeric powder, salt to taste, and then pour in 1/2 cup of vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Continue cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pickle base thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, for storage, allow your black pepper pickle to cool down completely to room temperature. This step is vital before transferring it into jars. Use only clean, sterilized, and airtight glass containers to ensure the pickle stays fresh for an extended period. Store it in a cool, dry place. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade black pepper pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.